Hello there. So this is me in comfortable mode. It's Friday. You girl got back from school, and I just showed you guys how I make my Fenugreek water, and now I wanna apply it to my hair because after your girl's hair got damaged, like growth just kind of stopped or slowed down rapidly. So let's go.
One, two, three, four. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind.
Here I have a bunch of combs and my detangling brush as well as my back brush. I'm just gonna use it, to brush my hair, make some plats. So first off, let's divide my hair into sections because wow, you can never ever work with natural hair as a whole. Like you will get nowhere no matter what you do. Like if you don't divide it into sections, it's no hope. Okay, sorry for the drama, guys. Anyway, I have decided to tie up like the rest of my hair, and then I just work on a section at a time because I find that easier. It's gonna go into sections anyway, so I might as well just work with it like this now and then tie it into sections afterwards. I'm gonna start with applying the water to my first section of hair. I've already applied it a bit. I'm just continuing. I think it's more advisable to do this during the day, but you'll notice that the water has a bad smell. I don't know about you guys, but in my experience, when like a hair product is smelly, it usually works better than the hair products that smell good. I don't know. That's like my experience, right? I don't know if you guys can see, but your girl's hair is damaged. Like my coils ain't popping no more. Like it's not terrible, it could be worse, but still we're trying to rejuvenate that. Hey, you can come on this journey with me because girl's going through the most thing. So now I'm just gonna detangle the section. And the reason I prefer doing this at night is because of how smelly the fenugreek is. Yo guys, bad smell. A really bad smell. Yeah, so I just prefer doing it at night. Oh, my hair feels nice. Feels nice. So now I'm gonna take this one section, and before I twist it, I'm just gonna divide this. I'm deciding on 2 or 3. Just wanna divide it and then twist each one. And then I'll have like 3 cute little twists, but then I have to do that for every section. Yeah, and being a natural is work. Being a YouTuber is work. Being a school child is work. So basically, you can't live life if you're not willing to work. Because at this point, everything is just work. Work, 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 work. See me, see me doing da 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 da. Okay, that was not me. Anyways, anyways, this is my last twist. My last twist. Don't let me start you in the sheets. If I ever get a chance to, I will never neglect my hair. Anyways, teachers. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the rest of my head, and then check you guys afterwards. That's some work. I finished doing most of my hair. And okay, these twists are longer than these because there's less shrinkage, because this side is more damaged for some reason, and then this side is healthier for some reason. Anyway, so this hair is untouched, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do this one more time. So I take a section of hair, have a I take my Fenugreek water, my section of hair, right? And then I just kind of spritz. And at the ends, you know, especially the ends. And then the most important part is your scalp. Then I just kind of rub it in with my fingers, like massage your scalp. It is so satisfying. Anyway, that's what I said, guys. I think it's better to do this during the day because some people don't like sleeping with red hair. For me, honestly, it's not a big whoop because I've done it quite a few times actually. Now I take my detangling brush that is now full of hair because it has been used multiple times. Sorry about that. Right. Oh, I gotta clean this thing afterwards. Didn't do the most day. Anyway, detangle. And I feel like my hair is not big enough because I want my twists to actually shrink. I want shrinkage, I'm at that point. There we go. And now I'm going to take this and then divide it into 2 should be okay. 2 sections. And then I hope you guys can see this. Just twist it basically. Twist. Twist, twist. And then at the end here, take this piece of hair that's already doing it. And I just kind of twirl it around my finger and it does that cute little coil thing. Yeah. And then I take my last piece over here. And then can you guys hear the excitement in my voice? Ew. Then I just twist it. Come on, don't do my excitement. I twist it up. Well, down. Anyway, I twist it. I twist it. Right. The exact same thing at the end. Put them together. Twirl around my finger. Cute coil thing. And I have all my twists. Last thing, some of Fenugreek water just on my scalp. Nice Robertson. Okay, anyway, rub it in. Someone today in class told me that I like goofing around. Like, I know I do, man. Even in my videos, I think you guys have seen me goof around a lot. But it's fun. Like, what is life without fun? Psh. you know. Anyway, that is that. I am going to undo my twist tomorrow and show you guys. Since this water is really smelly, yeah, I'm not gonna keep this twist for long. And I'll just show you guys how it looks when I untwist it. And then, yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. Yeah. Anyways, I will show you guys the growth after using Fenugreek water for about 4 weeks. So I'll measure every week. I didn't measure today, but starting from when I post another video, probably a short video, I will measure and show you guys how far my hair is, how long it is, and see whether the water's working or not. Anyway, bye bye, love y'all, Melbies. Good morning. I just woke up and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my twist from yesterday. It's still intact, you know, still there. And I love the shrinkage. I know like people usually say they hate shrinkage, but I love this shrinkage. Anyway, undo my twist with me. So basically you guys can see like what my twist out looks like, even though it's just with Fenugreek water. And my hair doesn't smell terrible, guys. Like it could be worse at this point. Untwist. I feel like this is gonna take a couple of hours. Guys, it's hangling. My hair is hangling. Okay, come on. Yay! So then I feel like I'm gonna take each of these twists, right, and just try to find like where they actually divide, so that I can just make it, you know, more voluminous. There we go. You know, that way my twister can have more volume. I just wanted you guys to see what the result of this twister was. Mind you, I only applied water. But to be fair, in the week I did use product on my gel and conditioner, and I have not washed it yet, so I'm going to wash it later because your girl has to go somewhere now. So this is just basically the twist out look. I'm showing you guys how I undo my twist, you know, and the end result thereof only was my Fenugreek water. And as I said, I will be measuring the growth, but for today, we're going to leave it and just admire the shrinkage, because guys, I'm so happy, like when I see my hair coming back and undamaging itself, because yeah, it's not nice when your hair is damaged. Honestly, like I think I got so used to my natural hair that when I have straight hair, it just doesn't feel like me, you know. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna do the rest of these and then I'll show you guys the end result. So this is the final result of my twist out. I hope you guys decide to try out the Fenugreek water. As you can see, it works really well. I'll keep you guys updated on exactly how the hair growth goes. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.